So let's discuss about phylum Cnidaria, as last time we have discussed about phylum Porifera. So phylum Cnidaria is basically the second phylum, which is one step forward than sponges like phylum Porifera. Okay, let me write here. It is the second phylum, and it is one step forward than Porifera. Porifera, which was sponges in their whole body, the sponges were present, holes were present. But here Cnidaria is one step forward, means their cells are organized into contractile tissue. Their cells are organized into contractile tissues. Okay, phylum Cnidaria is basically totally aquatic. It lives in water. Right here, aquatic. And in aquatic, mostly are in marine, but few are in fresh water. Mostly in marine, but few in fresh water. Okay. After that, here these phylum Cnidarias are basically they can move from one place to another place. So, for example, jellyfish, as jellyfish is the example of phylum Cnidaria. So, jellyfish can move from one place to another place. Okay. After that, here we have what? Um, they are radically symmetrical. They are radically symmetrical means they can be cut into two equal halves. For example, if I am drawing here the human as it is the radical, so it is cut into two equal sides. So this means phylum Cnidarias are also what? These are radical. They can be cut into two equal halves. After that, they are diploblast. They are diploblastic. Diploblastic means which have two layers, endodrome and mesodrome. After that, here we have what? Their body is enclosed into hollow cavity. इनकी body एक hollow cavity के अंदर enclose होती है. Okay, body enclosed in hollow cavity. Hollow cavity के अंदर इनकी body क्या होती है? Enclosed होती है. So that is known as the gastrovascular cavity. As gastrovascular cavity we have studied in Hydra. We were having gastrovascular cavity. Okay, cavity means the digestion and the transportation, we can say both will take place in this cavity. Okay, that's why gastro and vascular cavity. The name is given like that, both process will take place in this cavity. After that, the gastrovascular cavity in Cnidarians is called as what? Sedentera. 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 Okay. So all Cnidarians are basically what? They are carnivorous. Means they paralyze the prey. Prey को क्या करते हैं? Paralyze कर देते हैं. Then they kill the. After paralyze, they help with the help of stinging cells. They, which are the cnidocytes, they engulf those. They are carnivorous means they take their prey, paralyze the prey, and with the help of their stinging cells, those stinging cells are known as cnidocytes. Cnidocytes. These are stinging cells. With the help of these, they kill the prey and engulf the prey. Okay, so that's why these are named as Cnidaria, because they have what? They have stinging cells. Stinging cells. Okay, if you want to learn more about these cnidocytes, these all stinging cells, you may watch my Hydra video, in which I have explained you each and everything in very detail. Okay, so now here, these Cnidarians are divided into two groups. Those groups are, one is polyp, one is medusa, and second is polyps. Okay, now these polyps are basically cylindrical. ये क्या होते हैं? सिलेंड्रिकल होते हैं विथ माउथ, और इसके टेंटिकल्स इनके कहाँ होते हैं? अपवर्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ये टेंटिकल्स कहाँ होते हैं? अपवर्ड, एंड इनका माउथ ये रहा. सो दोज आर नोन एज Sorry, those are polyp. Is this टेंटिकल्स ऐसे होते हैं एंड हियर ए माउथ सो दोज आर पोलाइप जिसके टेंटिकल्स कहाँ हो अपवर्ड हो while medusa those are in the umbrella shape whose mouth and tentacles are downward medulla क्या होता है umbrella shape का होता है जिनके tentacles और mouth दोनों कहाँ होते हैं नीचे की तरफ होते हैं for example here you can take the example of jellyfish और umbrella is like that jellyfish or you can say umbrella okay after that they are what their level of organization is tissue level and they have incomplete body plan means they are sac like digestion take place sac like digestion they are sac like में body की तरह होते हैं ये नाइडेरियंस acoelomates acoelomates means totally absence of coelom acelo acoelomates means totally absence of coelom okay now here in the Cnidaria, the main point which must be asked that the first neuron came in phylum Cnidaria. First neuron came in phylum Cnidaria. Okay. After that, here we have what they can reproduce sexually and asexually. Now, asexual take place by the budding or we can say regeneration. एक जब चीज टूटती है दोबारा बन जाती है regenerate हो जाती है. Asexual budding regeneration like this. After that, if we talk about the sexual reproduction, which involve the fusion of sperm or we can say egg, which are released into the water. Sperm sexual, which is basically the fusion of sperm and egg cell. Okay, so this was all about the Hydra Hydarians. Hope you get something new from this video. Bye bye.